Okay, the last couple questions. So to solve the linear system by graphing the pair of lines, verify the solution. Okay, so the first one, I'm just going to do it in red. We have to put it in the y equals mx plus b. So we're going to have 2y equals, I'm bringing this x over, so it becomes a negative x plus 7. Then we need to solve for y, so we have to divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1y. And then we have negative 1/2 x because there's a 1 in front of the x. Okay? And then our y-intercept, we'll leave it as the fraction, 7 over 2. Okay? So my slope is negative 1/2. So that means we're going down 1 and over 2. My y-intercept happens at 7/2. So if you were to divide that, it'd be positive 3.5. Okay? So my y-intercept happens at 3.5. Put a dot. Okay? Now we have to go down 1 over 2. 1, 2. You go down 1 over 2. 1, 2. Okay? And now, if you were to use your ruler, okay, we have our line. So that's our first one. Now we're going to do our second line. I'll do that one in blue. So it's already in y equals mx plus b form. So my slope is 4 over 1. Okay? So it means we're going up 4 and then over 1 positive. And then my y-intercept happens at negative 6. So y happens at negative 6. Put a dot. Okay? So now we're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Okay, so if I were to... Oh, that was really awful. Sorry. Okay. If I were to look where these lines meet, okay, so my point of intersection, PI's point of intersection, is approximately like, let's see. It doesn't really cross where these lines met. Like this would be more like there, okay? Because it's too messy, right? So it would be approximately, say, here. So say 2.2 is my x, and then my y would be here-ish, so maybe 2.5-ish. Okay, so this one right here, it's too messy to check. All right, so let's try a different one. Let's do another one. Okay, so we can't really verify the solution because it's too messy. It's not a nice number. These have decimals in it and it's too hard to check, okay? So, these lines, y equals x minus 2, and then x plus y equals 6. Okay, we have to figure out the intersection point without graphing. Okay, so let's do it without graphing. The first one, I'll do my blue. Okay, so we're going to do 3 and 5. Okay, so this is x, and this is y. So my first one, y equals x minus 2. Okay, I'm going to plug in these points. So y is 5. Okay, equals x is 3 minus 2. Remember, and I said draw a line down the equal side. So the one side already equals 5. And the right side, 3 minus 2 is 1. These do not intersect. So it's not that point. Let's try the second one. We have x plus y equals 6. Well, we already know that because the first one didn't work, it's not going to work for the second one, so we don't have to check it. Okay, so let's do the next one. Draw a line here. Okay, so y equals x minus 2. Okay, I'll just draw a line down here. Okay, so x and y are both 3. So 3 equals, then x is 3 minus 2. So I'll draw a line down the equal side. So this side equals 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this one does not work. So that means we do not have to check this side, because if it's got to work for both points. Okay? So next one, y equals x minus 2. So we have my x-coordinate and my y-coordinate. So 4 equals x is 2 minus 2. Draw a line down the equal side. This side equals 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this side does not work, so there's no point checking this last side. Oh, I hope this last one works. Okay, so y equals x minus 2. So x and y. So y equals 2. Draw my line down the equal side. This side equals 2. X is 4, so 4 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Perfect. It works on this side. So let's check the other equation to make sure that it works. X plus y equals 6. Draw my line down the equal side. This side equals 6. So we have x is 4 plus y is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 equals 6. So this one is our solution. Okay, the end.